Hello everybody, happy Mask Monday. This is Miss Jackie Russell here, and this is take 2. I already did a Mask Monday for today, but somehow or another I lost my video. So I don't know if I didn't save it or if I accidentally trashed it. By the time I got ready to do this recording, there was no video. So we're doing it again. And today I have on winged eye mask from the Wonder Beauty, and it is the Baggage Claim Rose Gold eye mask underneath my mask, which is very hydrating. I really like them. And then I am doing my second one from Wendy. My first one I had on this morning was the hyaluronic acid mask, K Aesthetics, and these masks are very moisturizing. This one is the Collagen Revitalizing Smooth Firming Facial Sheet, and it feels really good, and the sheets are natural, made of premium, and I've cut it off. So I don't remember what it said, but thank you, Wendy. I'm enjoying these masks, and I'm getting to have a double dose of it today, hyaluronic acid, and now I'm having the collagen. But anyways, this is Miss Jackie Russell, and welcome to my channel. And today is Mask Monday, and it's going to be kind of a quick one since I'm having to redo this. I'm short on time, but I will answer a couple of questions. One of them is, what does your family think of your career? Well, overall, my family, especially my grandkids, they love the dogs and the puppies. They really love the puppies. Now, sometimes they get aggravated at some of the dogs, but they really do like the puppies. And then my grown kids, I think they like it overall. The only problem is it really limits on where we can go all together as a family, because we can't all be gone at the same time because somebody has to be here with the dogs. The next question is, how much time do you spend with your family? And the answer to that question is, I spend as much time as I can. Anytime we can get together, that is a wonderful time, and we all enjoy it. We're a close-knit family. Just anytime that we can get together. It says, what do you most like spending time with your family? I guess just being with them. I don't know how to really answer that any differently. Which family member makes the best food? Well, it depends in what department. If you're talking about baking, Laura can just bake the best desserts. Oh my goodness, she just does wonderful with that. And it's gotten quite good at making all kinds of delicious desserts, baking cake balls and cupcakes and all kinds of cakes. She really likes to bake. And as far as barbecuing, my son Josh, he loves to do the grill. And he grills up some mean pork chops, pork steaks, barbecue. He's just really great at that. My other son Seth is great at steaks. So I mean, like, everybody kind of does a pretty good job around here cooking. How has your opinion of your family changed over the years? I guess the biggest change is our growth. You know, it started off with my husband and I and 3 kids, and now we have 3 grown kids and 8 grandkids, so we just keep growing. I guess in my opinion, we're just moving through life and growing together and enjoying our time that we do have with each other when those times are available. If you're close with your family, what's the hardest part about spending time away from them? Oh, I guess the holidays. Holidays are hard sometimes when you can't all get together, but we do have FaceTime. Josh lives up in South Dakota with his family, so we see them at least once a year in July or so. They come down. We may get to see them next weekend, which I may not have Mask Monday next weekend because I might be out of town. Unfortunately, Kevin's sister lost her battle with lung cancer, and we are going to a memorial for her if the weather holds out. So we do have some issues with might be bad weather, so we'll see, but hopefully I'll get to see them. Do you wish you had a bigger family, or are you happy with its current size? Well, that's going to be the last question, and to answer that question, I'm happy with the size of our family. We're about 15 of us when we all get together, and that's just my immediate, my children and grandchildren. Of course, if we get with the whole family, we're talking like a whole lot more people. That would pretty much answer that question. And if you have a question that you'd like to ask me, feel free to ask me. You can ask me about the dogs and family and things like that. That's just fine with me. My career, whatever questions that you might have. How did I get started on this journey with the dogs? Or how did I get started with the YouTube? I've answered some of those questions before, but you might not have heard the answers. They're in various videos. But as for today, this is pretty much going to be the end of my Mask Monday. And so we're going to take this off. And this mask was just wonderful. Oh, it took the foils off too. We're going to rub this all in. And I just hope you all are having a happy Mask Monday. We're having some crazy cold weather today. Yesterday was 80 degrees and today it's 30. I mean, it's just ridiculous. And I think it's going to go up and down. And I don't know, for a week or two. Who knows? Maybe till the end of April. I hope not. I'm ready for spring. But Wendy, this mask is just wonderful. I just can't thank you enough. And that's Wendy with Unboxing with Wendy Jean. Thank you. I won this from her 300 subscriber giveaway. If you haven't subscribed to Wendy, you should go over there and check her out. She's a wonderful lady and she has a lot of unique unboxings. She's just a sweetheart. You'll just love her. But as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.